Paradiso.
This one.
This is 1,244 square feet. Come on in. Very nice and open floor plan. One of the unique features about this is, like I was telling you, they're always in the corner of the building, and therefore they have a lot more windows and natural light coming through. The whole place is fully renovated as far as brand new carpet, new tile. We've installed brand new crown molding over the cabinets. We've replaced all the faucets in the kitchen and bath. And what's so nice about these two is that you actually have a washing and drying room, not just a closet.
Okay.
Okay. And they would all have that. And another unique feature about this floor plan is that you can walk around the kitchen, not just in and out of the kitchen.
Okay, I see.
Yeah, so that's kind of unique in that sense. You'll have the master bedroom on one side and the second bedroom on the other.
This is the master?
This is the master's.
We have a big walk-in closet.
Very nice size walk-in closet, yeah.
Okay.
Think you'll like this? You'll love it, huh?